Okay, got another lock here from Jeff Moss. It is a American with a SC1 keyway, 5 pin I believe, which is SC1. Lock works beautiful. It is locked up. Here is the bidding. Not sure if it's a challenge lock or if it's a standard, but figure I'll find out if I get it open here. I'm going to stick this right there. I'll go top. I'll put this here. It keeps my pick from going down in that little valley, and it keeps me up on this little ledge. Alright. Up. 3. Look. And it's open on 1. Okay, let's see. Let's see if it's a standard lock. Of course, I've been having to pick a lot of works. Not a lot of works. A lot of locks here lately at work. Seems like more and more people are locking themselves out of their houses. Go figure. But keeps me busy and gives me a paycheck, so can't complain, I don't guess. I'll probably open maybe about close to 10 houses last week. So let's see how. Here's the keys. All 5 key pins are working. One standard, 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 and standard. Which it felt like the lock was a standard lock. And those that really know me, they know that I'll pick a challenge lock or a standard lock. I just enjoy picking. So this felt like standards, like a standard lock to me. So and standard. And I'm not going to worry about pulling the springs out with it being standard. Alright, here is this American SC1 5-pin, all standard. Jeff, greatly appreciate the luck. And on to the next one, and I think this one is a challenge locks because it's got JM on it. So may have to pick this one next. Alright everyone, as always, be good, be safe, be legal. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and have a good one, guys. Thanks.